Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can probably hear my voice, I'm sick. And you're also probably wondering, Lakia, why are you just wearing a robe? And I have a perfectly good explanation for that. So, since I am under the weather, I decided that I'm just gonna put the outfits on. So, one, hopefully I talk less. And two, I kind of like doing that. I've only done it one other time. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do in this video. So, hence why I'm wearing this robe. So, let me get out of the robe and actually put on an outfit. I have like this silver sparkly top. It is a short sleeve and it has kind of like a puff on the shoulder. I thought this was really cute. They had it in black as well, but I thought silver was cute. It's something different. I don't have any tops like this. And then I thought it would be paired really cutely with this little black faux leather high-waist skirt. It has like a cute little D-ring detail here and a button and like a little asymmetrical slit. It's like a slit. It's really cute. So I have this skirt in a size... I probably should have looked at that before I put it on. So the skirt is in a 00. It fits nicely. It is a little loose around the waist. Like it's not super snug around the waist. But having the shirt tucked in, it kind of doesn't matter because you can't really tell that, you know, it's kind of poking out a little bit. So yeah, I have the skirt in a 00 and I have the top in an extra small. Really cute. I love both items. I think they're paired. I think together they're paired really cute because the top is silver, so it has silver glitter, and then the skirt, of course, is black, and black goes with everything, but it has silver hardware and silver detailing. So I really like that. It's a cute little mini skirt, something, you know, cute. This would be cute paired with some booties. Of course, I would probably pair it with a pair of black booties. But yeah, here's the first little look. Okay, so here's the next look. I probably should have rethought these turtlenecks with my hair because it's getting messed up every time I put something on and take something off. But anyways, here's the next outfit. So I have this kind of cropped cable knit sweater. This is in an extra small. Really cute. They had a bunch of different colors. And then I picked this velvet mini skirt. It's really cute. It's like this really like, I don't even know how to explain this green, but it's such a pretty shade of green. When I saw it on the website, I was just like, yeah, I need that skirt. It's so cute. So yeah, I just love the way it looks. I'm pretty sure this is like an extra small. Yes, this is an extra small. It fits nicely. It could be a little more snug, but other than that, I really like the way it fits. It's on the short side, so this is definitely a little mini skirt. So yeah, this is what the skirt looks like. Really cute. Yeah, of course you don't have to pair these two together. You can, you know, opt for like a plain black turtleneck or a white top or kind of any top that you feel you want. But how I have it paired right here, of course I would pair it with like some thigh-high boots because the skirt is on the shorter side, or you know, you can go with booties, whatever you prefer. But yeah, here's the look. Really cute. The skirt is so soft. This will be, if I'm wearing this will probably be me all night just rubbing on the skirt because it's so soft. Don't sleep on Express, okay? Okay, so here's the next outfit, and yes, it's black. I needed a nice turtleneck dress that was on the longer side because I have like a turtleneck black dress, but it's shorter. So I saw the long one and I'm just like, yes, I need that. Okay, so I'm about to fall over. What is wrong with me? So yeah, I have this dress in an extra small. It's so soft. The material is just so nice. It's just so nice. So here's what the dress looks like. It fits all the right places. Waist is looking snatched. It's an illusion, but waist is looking snatched. Okay, so I love this dress. I love that the sleeves are long because I'm the type of person that does this all night long. I will pull my sleeves all the way down. So yeah, the dress is really cute. It fits amazing. It's super comfortable. It's stretchy. The material is amazing. I just absolutely love this dress. I think it's so cute. It goes past my knees. Can you guys see? There we go. So the dress hits just below my knees. I can probably pull it. Yeah, it can go. Yeah, so the dress goes below my knees. Really nice length. Perfect length for some little boots, you know. So yeah, the dress is popping. I just love this dress. While I'm in the dress, I should show you guys this accessory that I have. So I got this little rhinestone belt from Express. It's super trendy right now. It looks like this, you know, the little, let's turn the lighting down so you guys can see the gems on the belt. Okay, so the gem belt that is super popular right now. I have this belt in an extra large because they were out of smalls, mediums, extra smalls, large. So I really wanted the belt. So I ended up just getting it in an extra large because I know it hangs low anyway. So I just figured it'll just hang a little longer than it normally would. I turned the lighting down so you guys can get a full effect of the belt. So yeah, I would prefer to have my actual size in this belt, but it's okay. We're gonna just work with the size that we got. And because it's like all stone, it kind of doesn't matter what size because I can still, you know, make it fit my waist. So yeah, we have her plugged in. This belt is just super duper cute. So yeah. So it's so long. Oh my god, it's really long. So if we wanted to, we can wrap her around one more time if we wanted to. And then we could, you know, stick her like this. Is that what we can do? Can we do that? Is that cute or is that just doing too much? Don't mind the tag. So yeah, what do we think of the belt like this? Is it? So yeah, here's the belt. Really cute belt. She's adorable. I love the belt. Okay, so the turtleneck is one that I had already. So I didn't have I had a top to go with the skirt, but it was sold out when I placed my order, so it didn't come. So this is an Express turtleneck. I absolutely love this. Wear it all the time. So I would definitely wear a turtleneck or any top because I had picked a white top to go with this. I absolutely love this. I think this skirt would be so cute for like New Year's or, you know, any special occasion. It's a rainbow mini sequin skirt. So yeah, I have the skirt in a 00. Fits really nicely. It is high-waisted, but of course it doesn't fit my waist the best. It is a little big at the waist if I were to wear it exactly at my waist like I would like. It is lined with like satin, so it's super comfortable. I know a lot of things sometimes that are sequin, the inside isn't lined, so it can get kind of like scratchy. This one, super comfortable, really cute. You'll be sparkling all night. So yeah, I originally, you know, had a white top to go with this so I can wear it with this pink blazer, but like I said, the top sold out, so it was canceled from my order. So the model had it on with this like hot pink blazer, and I just thought that was so cute, so I got the blazer in an extra small. So let's see, would I wear it with the turtleneck? Because the sleeves are cropped, Probably not, but let's just roll the sleeves up in there so they're not in the way. So this is what the pink blazer looks like. I would totally pair this blazer with like a white tank top and like some jeans or anything like that. I just love the color of it. It is like a satiny finish. Really, really cute. I love the blazer with the sequin skirt because the skirt has so many different colors in it, and it definitely has like hot pink in it. So I think them paired together would be really cute. How do I like it with the blazer? I'm not mad at it, but it definitely would look better with something that's not high neck. But yeah, here's this outfit. The blazer is extra small and the skirt is a 00. And then if you're interested in this turtleneck from Express, it is extra small, and I love the turtleneck. It's my favorite. So yeah, here's this little number. She's cute. She's really cute. So yeah, let's move along. Here's the next outfit, another turtleneck. You guys, it's cold outside. It's turtleneck season, okay? So I have this like burgundy turtleneck. It is kind of marled, so it has, you know, black up in it. I have this turtleneck paired with these plaid side striped jogger pants. They're really comfortable. I have the turtleneck in an extra small, and I have the pants in an extra small. And yeah, they both fit lovely. We're gonna tuck our shirt in. If I'm wearing anything high waist, I want my shirt tucked in always. You know, what's the point of having a high waist if you're not gonna, you know, show it off? So here we are. Here's the pants. Really, really cute. I love the pants. They are like a jogger pant. I know you guys asked to see where exactly like the pants fall. So the pants sit right at my ankles. So they are jogger pants. So yeah. So I'm like 5'3", 5'2"-ish. I don't know. I actually don't know how tall I am, but I know I'm around that area, okay? Probably like more 5'3", less 5'4". So I'm like 5'3"-ish, I guess. So yeah, here's what the pants look like on me. Again, they're extra small. Yeah, here they go with the turtleneck. I think they look really, really cute paired together. Really cute. The pants are really comfortable. Of course, the top is really comfortable. I just love Express tops. It's ribbed, but it's the bigger rib. The black one I just had on, the ribs is like really skinny, but this one, the ribbing detail is much wider. So yeah, absolutely love this look here. Really cute, really cute. So yeah, moving right along. I only have an outfit and then this top left. Okay, so here's the next outfit. Really, really casual, really cozy. You know, I could go from like I'm going out with you to like I'm laying on a couch real quick. So this is a velour hoodie. I have it in a size extra small. Definitely could go for an extra small because it does fit oversized, but it's really cute. It's a half zip and it has a hood. Of course, I said it's a hoodie. So I have it in this really interesting thornberry color. It's like a mauve color. So I got the matching colored leggings. I just typed thornberry in the search bar to see what of the color would pop up, and the leggings popped up, and I'm just like, that actually matches perfect. Here are the leggings. They're ribbed. They're super soft. These leggings I have in an extra small as well, and they're definitely not super snug, so they are on the looser side. So if you were getting these leggings, I definitely wouldn't size up. So yeah, they're kind of loose on me, but they're really comfortable. They're super soft, really soft leggings. They're ribbed. Here's where they sit at on my ankle. I could definitely pull them longer, so if you were tall, I think the leggings would definitely work for you. But yeah, here's just a really nice casual, I'm gonna lounge today outfit. The hoodie has pockets. You guys know I love anything with pockets, and it's just so warm and comfortable. And then it has a hood. Let's put our hood on. So yeah, it has a really nice hood. Just a really cute, warm and cozy outfit. I really love this outfit. So yeah, here's our next item. It's this. What is this? Oh my god, I don't know what material this is. It's like a fleece. Is this fleece? I think this is fleece. So the last item I have is this camo pullover, super soft. Pretty sure this is fleece. It feels so warm and cozy. I absolutely love it. I love the color of this camo because it's more on the muted side. It's not like super pigmented, so it almost looks gray. It's like gray and green camo. It's really cute and it's so warm. It has pockets. Yeah, I have a black one in this and it's definitely oversized, so I figured this time I would get an extra small just to be safe. And I love the way this fits. I love the color. It's so warm. It's so cute. I just love everything about it. So yeah, I got this in an extra small. Absolutely love it. You can pair this with leggings. You can pair it with jeans. You can pair it with biker shorts, sweatpants. I just love this top. So I had to get it. So yeah, this is it. This is the last item that I had. I will be sure to list all the items that I have from Express in the description box for you guys, so you can easily access it. Did I say that right? So you can easily access it. You know what I mean. I'll put all the links in the description box for you guys. And if you are watching this, if you watch this video all the way through, thank you so much. Please subscribe if you're loving my hauls or my content or any of that. It just lets me know that you actually like the videos that I'm making, and I greatly appreciate it. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This video, that is, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.